Hey guys, so here I am at Gujarat Bhavan Hotel. You can see the board behind me. Now Gujarat Bhavan Hotel is one of the highest rated hotels when it comes to thali or pure veg lunch in Matheran. So I decided to check it out. Now this is the entrance to the hotel as you can see, and I'll be heading inside. So let's take a look. So this is the entrance of the hotel. Now this hotel is quite close to Charlotte Lake and also to the market. If you take the turning for Regal Hotel, it's just a 2 minutes walk from that turn. This is the entrance. Now over here you can see there is a nice play area for the kids, or you can just sit around, and it's a pretty nice green entrance and area. Here is another small garden for children, and you have board games over here also. You have carom, you have ludo, and you also have slides and other things. There's another garden here. There are a lot of mini gardens for children. So if you're coming here with family for a stay, it's a great place. Unfortunately, they do not have these amenities for guests. So if you come here only for lunch, then you cannot play in the gardens, so your children cannot play in the gardens. But if you're staying here, they can. So this was the entrance walkway, and here you have the reception. So I'm going to be entering the reception. You can see a sanitizer bottle placed here, and here is where you have the lunch, the menu that is displayed.
Hello.
The lunch and dinner menu.
This
is the reception.
bolo.
This is the space where you take the coupon for you take the coupon from for lunch. Now lunch costs 250 rupees, and it begins at 12 o'clock and continues till 2 o'clock, and dinner costs 300 rupees. Now dinner is different from lunch. In dinner you have Chinese, you have Punjabi, you have a buffet, whereas lunch is your typical Gujarati thali, wherein you sit and they serve you. So this is the lunch menu again. Okay, now I'm going to head to the lunch and the dining area. Here is the pool in case you're staying over here. So you have the pool over here. There's a mini pool for children. There's also a slide you can use to directly jump into the pool. So currently, because of government restrictions, the pool is closed, and because the pool is closed, they carry out cleaning. As you can see, they are cleaning the pool right now. So they do not do it on a daily basis, but rather they do it at intervals. Okay, and over there, that tiny little shack that you see in white color, that is the changing room, and behind the changing room you have the public washrooms. You can also see speakers over here. So there are areas wherein they take video, they have events and they play videos, or they have fun stuff happening. So let's head to the dining room. Here you can see the rooms, and here under this beautiful natural canopy, there's a way to the dining room. Here you go. You can sit here with friends, you can enjoy, you can gossip in the afternoon sun. Here are the rooms. Some of the rooms, you can see the outside. And here you have a small little temple garden kind of a thing, wherein you have a lovely little statue of Lord Shiva. Here, as you can see, this beautiful statue of Lord Shiva. This is it. And you have a lot of plants over here, beautiful plants. That's the reception. This is a swimming pool area. You have chairs placed over there for events. And over here you have some more rooms, and when you climb down the stairs, on your left hand side is the dining space here. So you can see guests inside. Here you have space to wash your hands. And inside you have the dining area. Here you can see the thalis.
Welcome.
Hello, Kencho. And this is the table I'm going to be sitting at. Placing my coupon over here. Thali. Change this a bit. Tissue. You have two glasses over here. So the smaller glass is for chas and the bigger glass is for water. So here is the chas and here is the water. This is the dining area, the area from where they bring out the food and they serve. So from here, from the dining room, you can see a little bit of the valley view. There are some areas which are still under construction. Now luckily you have bars on the windows so the monkeys don't enter. And my salad is here along with chutneys. So you can see you have some chopped cucumber, some sliced tomato, green chutney, that is your mint and coriander chutney, and you have the tamarind chutney, the sweet chutney. Okay, this is bhendi masala. चना નથી ને
ના મને
હા
આમાં ચણા છે
હા તો પછી નહીં આપો ના નહીં આપો this is mixed lentils but because it has chana and I'm allergic I won't be eating it.
આલુ ટમેટો
this is potato and tomato, aloo tomato. Yeah, then you have Gujarati dal. Now Gujarati dal is a little sweet and it has a tadka of peanuts. It is really tasty and this is spicy traditional dal. Both the dals are made from tuar or pigeon peas. And this you have your dahi vada, which is one of my absolute favorites. So for farsan there is dahi vada, the traditional papad. Another Gujarati favorite. And you have chapatis with ghee. એક જ આપો ના 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 ઘી નહીં અને કઈ છે ચણાની છે
પૂરણપોળી ના
તુવરની દાળની છે ને હા તો એક આપી દો હા and this is પૂરણપોળી ના ઘી નહીં બેવ કરી બસ thank you. So this is the complete thali. Now Gujarati Puran Poli is different from Maharashtrian Puran Poli because Gujaratis make Puran Poli using tuar dal or pigeon peas and Maharashtrians make it using chana dal. So luckily for me this is a Gujarati Puran Poli, a typical one, so I can enjoy it. And I am going to dig in and I hope you guys do visit Gujarat Bhavan for a thali when you're here. This is a complete look at it. Bye bye. Okay, so I am just done with my lunch and here's taking a look at the complete dining hall. So this table is where they place their buffet. You can see the plates and the bowls for dinner and they line up the dishes over here. This is the complete dining area, the dining room here. On this table also you can see that they place buffet they place the dishes for buffet service. Here it's divided into two, you have a pillar in between and this is Mr. Raju who is the chef and who also takes care of all the customers. So the hospitality here is really good. They ensure that you do not leave without your stomach filled and if you have any complaints at all then it is promptly addressed. I am allergic to a few ingredients, and I really liked the fact that everybody over here was very, very careful. Even if there was, you know, a spoonful of the ingredients that I'm allergic to in the dishes, I was informed about it promptly, and I was not served those dishes. So that kind of care and concern is something that you know, really made me feel good, and I thoroughly enjoyed my meal over here. So here's me signing off, and I hope you guys have a great time whenever you visit Mathiran. Bye.